Now, if you don't like the sand, you can forget about doing quality woodworking. All right, you can do quite a lot with a scraper to get a good finish. However, sanding will take you to the next level. So, all told, when you're doing, a solid wood project, you're probably going to be spending just as much time sanding, depending on, what the project is, as you will on everything else. That'll tell you something. It has to be good. Here's a quick, easy sanding tip that might come in handy if you have a situation like this, which you often will if you do woodworking. That's the leg comes up and it meets the step and the grain crosses. So you sand this way, you get scratches across the piece that is the leg. You sand that way, you get scratches across the step. And I do my sanding in 2 steps, rough, usually 100 grit, and then I finish up basically with 220 grit, and I go over the whole thing again until those 100 grit sanding scratches are gone. But to deal with these places right here, I use an even finer grit. This is 320. And I just get in there and I go diagonally across it. And what that does is it gets rid of those scratches that you'll see from the 220 grit.